this is different than Mommy's car.
Yeah, it is.
Well,
Good observation.
Well, it isn't her car. It's my car.
What kind of car is this? Look here. What's that? Mazda.
M for
Mazda. It's a Mazda. Do you not know Mazda? No. Oh, I missed that one.
Oh,
Anyways.
wow. So, hey, I'm Jeff.
I'm Tom.
Tom does some pretty cool stuff. And what do you go by on your various...
My name's Lincoln.
This is Lincoln.
That's true. We got Lincoln here. Lincoln is Tom's son.
Yeah.
And he decided to join us for this. I just wanted to try and do this quick series where we introduce someone in the community who is somehow affiliated with me or the shop or that has given me a lot of encouragement or support over the years and over the time. And Tom's one of those people. And he goes by Infinite Craftsman on all of his social media. And I just wanted to ask him a few questions. So Tom, so what do you like to make? What is your maker discipline, if you will, if you have just one that you had to say?
If I only one?
Okay, fine. What do you?
I can't do one. I can't do one. I can do 5.
Okay, do 5.
Woodworking, metalworking, electronics. I don't know if I can do 5. I'd like to get into plastics, but remote control stuff. We'll do 4.
Okay, I'm gonna link some of his stuff there. He does some pretty cool remote control stuff,
and usually all 4 of those at the same time.
And it's absolutely ridiculous. It's great. If you had a project that was like your #1 favorite, like if you had to show somebody your work, what project do you show them?
RC lawnmower.
Lawnmower?
Yeah, hands down.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of woodworking, but it was all garbage. It was a thrown out lawnmower. It was a thrown out Power Wheels. Now you want to go look at it, and cheap electronics that anybody can do. You say anybody can do this stuff, they just have to want to, right?
Yeah, they do have to want to.
Yeah.
So, what got you started?
The short story is as a kid, I always wanted to rip apart a VCR, but VCRs were really expensive back then. So now that I'm an adult, I can rip apart anything I want, including an X-ray machine and maybe that printer. We'll see if it works.
We're not going to talk about the X-ray machine.
Why not?
No, we can talk about the X-ray machine.
We'll cut this part out.
No, we can talk about the X-ray machine. Tom bought an X-ray machine.
I bought an X-ray machine. It's one of the 12 steps to becoming a picker. You have to buy an X-ray machine.
Right. He just really wanted to see inside of his own head to see what was going on in there, what's wrong. We don't know.
Yeah, no, there's nothing in there. I looked. There's nothing in there. I bought it was $40. It was awesome. And it's right over there. That's why I keep looking over there. It's bad for camera. But there's some cool tech in there. Like there's a hydraulic lift it's a panoramic X-ray machine for a dentist's office. So there's a hydraulic pump in there and a couple of motors and what was that? A Variac. Jeff helped me out with that one.
All right. And one non-making thing that you're really into, one that's completely unrelated to your maker hobbies and disciplines.
Interesting because they blend a little bit, but I enjoy cigars and pipe tobacco, but I wouldn't consider myself much of a smoker. It's very infrequent, but it's like anybody that's into wine. There's all these flavors you can pull out of just regular tobacco through their blends and stuff like that. So that's a little non-maker-ish, but I have made a couple pipes. So
okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
And disclosure, smoking is bad.
Smoking is bad.
Don't do it.
Yeah,
it's bad.
I don't inhale.
And this is not
literally
addictive smoking. This is.
Don't inhale cigars. Cigar smoking is not addictive. That's probably up for debate a little bit, but the nicotine doesn't get to your lungs. It's not why you do it. But yeah,
I gotcha.
Put the disclaimer out there.
Lincoln, what do you like to do? You gotta tell the camera.
You gotta look at the camera.
I like to tickle Daddy and fight Daddy.
And fight Daddy. Yeah, that's pretty accurate.
Do you have anything that's fun to do that you like to do? Like, do you like to ride around the house on any of your vehicles?
Yes.
What's your favorite vehicle?
My quad.
Your quad? Yeah, he's got a little quad. It's pretty cool.
He whips around. It freaked me out first couple weeks he was doing it, but now he's pretty good. He's pretty confident. So.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's good for now.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining in.
Thanks, man. See you guys.
Say bye, Lincoln.
Bye.
Bye, Lincoln.
Bye.